Welcome! If you're looking to add a username to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can easily create a unique username for your page with Facebook's new update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're on Facebook, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu, select your page. If you manage more than one page, make sure you choose the correct one. Now that you're on your page, click on the page profile photo. This will open up your page's main dashboard, where you can access all the settings you need. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded list. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Page Setup. Here, you'll see several options related to your page's identity. Click on Name to access the section where you can edit your page's name and username. Now, look for the Username field. This is where you can add or change your page's username. Type in your desired username. Make sure it's unique and follows Facebook's guidelines. If the username is available, you'll see a green check mark. Once you're happy with your new username, click Save Change to apply it. And that's it. Your page now has a unique username, making it easier for people to find and tag your page on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.